Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're covering a set of important acronyms from the Cloud and Virtualization category for the CompTIA A+ certification. I'll walk you through each term, explain what it means, and you'll be able to see right at the bottom of each slide in which exam you're most likely to find it in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's jump in. First up is the CDN, Content Delivery Network. Now, CDN distributes web content to multiple servers located closer to users. This helps speed up access to websites and content, especially for large files and videos. Next is PaaS, Platform as a Service. This is a cloud model that gives developers the tools and infrastructure to build and deploy applications without managing hardware. It's important across the board. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. You probably used this before. It's software delivered over the internet, like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. SPICE, Simple Protocol for Independent Computing Environments. It's a protocol used for remote access to virtual machines, often in enterprise virtual environments. SSID is short for Service Set Identifier. That's just a fancy term for the name of a Wi-Fi network. When you connect to, for instance, coffee shop Wi-Fi, that name would be the SSID. VDI, or Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. It is a software where desktop environments are hosted on a centralized server and accessed remotely. It's a very important concept. A VM, or a virtual machine. It is an emulated computer that runs inside other machines. It's often used for testing different operating systems or isolated environments. WinRM, or Windows Remote Management. It is a Microsoft protocol used to manage Windows devices remotely through PowerShell or the command line. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. It is one of the fundamental service models in cloud computing. Now, with IaaS, a cloud provider gives you access to virtualized computing resources over the internet, like servers, storage, and network hardware. Now, instead of buying a physical machine, you rent what you need when you need it. VNC stands for Virtual Network Computer. It's a technology that lets you remotely access and control another computer over the internet, almost like you're sitting right in front of it. And that's it for cloud and virtualization acronyms. These are high-value terms that show up in both older and newer A+ exams. So be sure to focus on the ones that match your exam code. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for more CompTIA study guides and categories. See you in the next one.